this section, you'll learn how to create a form in your Canvas and how to link it to your database. First of all, you'll have to define what kind of information you'll be collecting and what you need it for. Let's say you'd like your users to be able to subscribe to a newsletter. Therefore, you'll need their full name and also email address. Once you have this in mind, go to your project's dashboard and click on the database module. Then, create a new table. Make sure to add a specific and easy to remember name, and then add the fields you will need. We'll delete the ones created by default and we'll create only two fields: full name and email address. Make sure to set the privacy settings of your database. Here we'll only set public the possibility to create a new lead. And that's it. Next step will be directly from your Canvas. To build a form, you'll need 4 types of elements. First, we'll create a container to make sure everything related to the form will be placed there. Then, we'll create 2 input elements, where users will fill in their full name and email address. We'll also create 3 text elements, one for a title, and the other 2 to point where to add name and email. Lastly, we'll create a button. Now just change the layout, colors and fonts to personalize the form and get ready to connect it to the database. Now let's connect everything to make it work. Create a new variable of type database record. We'll name it new lead. In the table ID field, you'll see you can link the table you just created, so select it. Now select each input field and in the model panel located in code mode, assign its corresponding value. You'll see it's created automatically for each field needed. Then create a procedure of type database, save. Attach the variable we just created in the assigned field and name it. We'll name it save new lead. Now just select the button and in the events panel, located in code mode, add an event of type click, and in the procedure field you'll select the one previously created. Now your form must be entirely functional. However, keep in mind, users need feedback from the system to know their data has been saved correctly. That's why we'll create one more text inside a different container, which for this example will say something like "Thanks for subscribing." Then let's assign its visibility in the element visibility and repeat panel. We'll select the other container and assign its false value to the visibility. And that's it. Go ahead and click on Preview. Test your form and check the data has been saved in your table.